Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, I want to share the best Chinese bok choy recipe because it's healthy, delicious, and super easy to make. Whenever you buy a big bag of bok choy and you're not planning to eat them all in one day, you can tear the outer leaves from each bok choy and cook them first. The center core can stay good in the fridge for up to 1 month. Of course, the timing depends on the condition when you first got the bok choy. Thoroughly rinse the leaves because there is sand stuck in between the stems. Bok choy is one of the most popular vegetables in China. If you want to see more recipes of how to cook it, let me know in the comment. Drain the leaves well. Cut the stems into bite-sized pieces. Separate the leaves because they take different amount of time to cook. Mushrooms are the classic item to match with bok choy in stir-fries, as they provide a beautiful umami taste. Just slice them into 1/4 of an inch thick pieces. I'm using shiitake, but oyster mushroom and chanterelle are also good choices. For scallions, discard the end. Dice them diagonally into 1/2 inch long pieces. Slice 4 cloves of garlic thinly. Add a generous amount of cooking oil to a wok. Along with the scallions and garlic slices, stir over low heat until the aromatics are lightly golden, which will take about 3 minutes. Continue by adding 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you want to make this dish vegan, use vegan oyster sauce. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. This is a classic Shanghai scallion sauce that can go good with almost any vegetables. It gives the food a savory taste and a desired brown color. Toss in the mushroom slices and the bok choy stems. Drizzle a splash of water from the side of the wok. The scallions and garlic are already caramelized, so the water here will prevent them from burning. Keep stirring over medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are soft. Add the bok choy leaves and continue to stir until the leaves are wilted. And you're done! What a simple and yummy side dish. Usually, when you stir-fry vegetables, there's always excess liquid at the bottom of the plate. But with this recipe, there's no excess sauce. That means the flavor is concentrated. The bok choy is crispy and flavorful. The mushroom is tender and succulent. With this recipe, you can go through bags and bags of bok choy easily. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!